if I'm not asking too much, we, Manilans, mamaya bago tayo matulog, ipagdasal natin yung ating mga kababayan sa Cebu. Marami nang nasawi. You will never know. It's gonna happen anywhere. But for the meantime, kung kayo may maitutulong, ipadala nyo sa city government because after this, I'm going to convene MDRRMO and Manila Health Department. We will send contingent to our fellow Filipinos in Cebu. Nakalungkot. To the people of Masbate. Kaya mamaya, total wala naman toast gas. Before you go to sleep, I know you're gonna pray for yourself, for your family. If I'm not asking too much, let's just include a few words of prayer for our fellow Filipinos in the country, especially in Masbate and Cebu. Mag-ingat kayo, pagpalain nawa kayo ng Pong May Kapal. Manila! God first. Thank you.
Maraming